for in-person and blended model instruction for students and families who need it. Well, this comes as the Illinois Department of Public Health admits in our region, Region 1, bars and restaurants aren't the largest potential exposure locations. Schools are. Dylan Saraki explains.
The latest contact tracing data from the Illinois Department of Public Health shows statewide, bars and restaurants are the most common potential location of exposure for people who test positive for COVID-19. But here in Region 1, schools top the list, with bars and restaurants coming in as the fourth most common potential location of exposure.
If we want to get these numbers down, I don't see how that happens without schools closing.
Scott Frank is the owner of Ciao Bella Italian Kitchen in Loves Park. He thinks the data proves schools, not just restaurants and bars, should be required to close if Region 1 wants to keep COVID-19 in check.
If we're going to play these COVID games and the numbers of 8% that triggered this latest shutdown to getting below 6.5% to lift the restrictions, as a business owner, then I want everything closed, because the longer that this goes on, the longer the restaurant and bar industry is punished.
Last week, rising numbers of cases among students and faculty prompted the Freeport School District to transition all schools to full remote learning through November 30th. Superintendent Anna Alvarado says, while it was a difficult decision to make, staffing concerns ultimately forced the district's hand.
One person who gets infected with a virus, the contact tracing could wipe out an entire classroom. It could eliminate a number of staff who could be in school working. I can't run a school without a principal, assistant principal, nurses, social worker.
Alvarado says she's hoping to resume in-person learning after Thanksgiving, but agrees keeping people healthy needs to be the top priority for right now.
I would like kids to come back, but I'm not the only factor here, right? We have to to make sure that we minimize, the spread of the virus.
Reporting for your home team, I'm Dylan Saraki.